Here I have variety of portulaca. This is orange. This is red one. This is in white in color, and this is pink and white in combination. And this is shocking pink. This is vinca, white vinca. This is baby sun rose plant, and this is white vinca. This is shocking pink. This is coxcomb. This is passiflora vine with purple color flower. This is aloe vera, and this is coxcomb yellow and coxcomb pink. And this is kale plant, canna lily plant, and hibiscus plant. And this is Aprajita vine. This is my mint plant.